What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We are making tamarind pop chop.
Oh.
It's sort of sweet and sour, and then we're gonna put like fruit cocktail in it. I'm gonna coat it with cornstarch. Pop chop, I already did ginger juice and salt overnight.
Okay.
I pounded it, then make it flatter.
Vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil. Maybe a cup and a half. Because the you can see the pop chop is really big.
Is that cornstarch?
Cornstarch. You can do flour.
Is this gluten-free?
Gluten-free. I think also cornstarch is a little lighter compared to flour.
Okay.
And then when the oil get hot, now I'm going to put it in. More than enough.
Is that enough egg, Joyce?
Well, I can always add another one. See, it's pretty much ready, right?
Okay. Is it gonna splash?
No, the cornstarch will avoid. Don't drop it in. Slowly slide it in.
How long do you cook it for?
Until it's done. This is full. Also, I want to put enough oil. And move this one a little bit and put this one in. Because I also here forever. Move the bone side down because the bone side takes a little longer. I'm going to flip it. You can tell there's a lot of food coated. It should be done. I want to get rid of some of the oil, and then I'm going to put more in it.
Will this cook faster because it's
Yeah, the oil is hot. Tamarind sauce. And then I'm going to put fruit cocktail. This is 100% juice, not heavy syrup. Let's drain this. Then I need the juice to make the sauce. Want to pick? Sure. You want to pick it? Just don't throw it into the sink because it's going to clog your sink. I'm getting the paper towel that we already used. Conservation. And then I'll show you how to get rid of the oil too. You can use the oil. You cannot use like the one on the bottom, steady, and then try to get as much out. Even to get in, it's okay because you can skim the top. You don't want to put it in the drain. Here's one. Use paper towel. Use one more paper towel, then this will be cleaned up. Then there's a lot less oil in the drain. See, it doesn't take much.
Good idea, Joyce.
Yeah, because I used a new one, but usually I just save it on the side. Then I don't even need to wash it if I want to make the sauce because there's oil. And then just don't put it in because this. See, lazy people come up with a good idea. You need to stir a little bit on the bottom because sometimes you settle on the bottom. This is a little tangy.
Right.
I'm going to also need to make a thickening sauce. That should be enough. Half a teaspoon. Sugar need to be adjusted for this case. It's not going to be like just a dash. And then this is the juice from the cocktail. Then we're ready. I can skim it. The bottom don't use because a lot of the cornstarch. The juice, the tamarind sauce. It's going to be a lot, Colvin.
That's okay.
I know you can drink it. Put a little bit more water. This sauce you need to taste. Depends on the brand.
Too hot.
Oh, tangy.
Is that how we want it, Joyce?
Well, not so tangy. Maybe we'll need to adjust it. But let's make the consistency first. Because I want to put the fruit cocktail in it before adjusting it. Usually people don't put this much fruit cocktail. But
Colvin can see it.
no, because Colvin likes sauce. When it boils back, and that's the sauce. I should turn it off because you don't want to cook the fruit cocktail too much. I think we need a little bit of that soy because it's the color. A little light, and then we may need to adjust with sugar. Now, it's very tangy. You can try it. Don't try it yet. We'll cut the pop chop and then play it. It's cooked, right? You want a piece?
Sure.
Well, you can taste the pop chop first and make an assessment.
It's good, Joyce.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
You try it. Yeah. Put some sauce on it. Cool, that's not enough sauce. Picture time.